My first question to Manish Tiwari on this non-stop coverage is joining us now. Nirmala Sitharaman of the BJP. Manish Tiwari, welcome. I will not waste time in long introductions because the story is moving faster than we expected. Manish, is there a strong case against the BJP chief or has this been a damn squib?
Well, Arnab, the Raven rant, which should not be dignified by being called a presser, for the lack of a better word, only validates the charge which I had made a fortnight back. That's the IAC, and I've amplified on this acronym earlier, is only the B team of a faction of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And today, that charge stands substantially validated. Because insofar as I am concerned, or we are concerned, the story is not in the people who have been named. The story is in the people who have been excluded. I find it most interesting that on the 16th of June 2012, a delegation of Congress MPs goes and calls on the CVC. It presents voluminous documentation about a 1 lakh crore scam in Gujarat over a period of 11 years, encompassing 17 episodes. And interestingly, at a point in time when Gujarat is going for the polls, when the people of Gujarat have the ability to exercise
I want a response from Nirmala. I want a response from Nirmala because that press conference is starting. She must have a response to you.
There is a conspiracy of silence. There is a conspiracy of exclusion.
Yes.
One line response to Manish's charge.
Manish, hear the response, please. Yes.
No. There's one line response for Manish's charge. Till yesterday he was saying it's a B team of the BJP. Now he's come down to saying it's a B team of a section within BJP. What kind of a hair-splitting research is going on in the Congress party?
Exactly
I think they have enough issues on which they have to answer the people of India. They should spend more time on it. We'll take care of answering for what we are.
Yes,
Did he hear me at all?
Yes, Manish.
Did he hear what I said? Because sometimes they don't want to hear.
Arnab, I think we are having a problem with the audio, but if there's a question that you have to
Who's
ask,
speaking now?
go right
Is
ahead,
it a silent time? No. I'm asking. I'm observing something about Manish's comment. I wish he hears that. Till recently, till even yesterday, the Congress party was saying that the group which is alleging is a B team of the BJP. I have a feeling they're doing so much of hair-splitting research. Now he has concluded that they are only a B team of one section within the BJP and the names have not been given. These are kind
Nirmala
of
time
pass arguments which the Congress wants to use.
Nirmala Sitharaman, Manish Tiwari.
Answering the people of India.
Nirmala Sitharaman and Manish Tiwari, welcome to Majid Memon and Anjali Damania. Going back into the debate now, Nirmala Sitharaman is with us. Manish Tiwari, sorry for keeping you both waiting. Navika Kumar, our political editor. Majid Memon, National General Secretary of the NCP and very senior lawyer from Mumbai. Tonight I'm also joined by Anjali Damania, the lady at the eye of the storm, member of India Against Corruption. I have 3 questions. And my first question, I want to go question by question. Anjali, you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
My first question to you is, why was the land taken away from the farmers? Let's address that. The BJP has come out strongly and Gadkari has also said that the farmers got the compensation.
Yes. Let me come out and explain each and every fact. Because I'm pretty saddened by what Sushma Swaraj just made some statements which are absolutely shocking. Before she herself went into each one of them, she is making such statements which are absolutely sad. Now let me go point by point. The land was acquired in 84, that is correct. The dam was completed in 99, that is also correct. But since then, till today, till 2008, the farmers were tilling the land. They were having the leased possession of the place. They were tilling the land. They were sowing their crops on the land. and this land was taken away because of a letter of Shri Nitin Gadkari. Now my clear allegation on Mr. Gadkari is, if he has got nothing to do with Purti, if he is doing general benefit, why did he use
Nirmala
his name
Sitharaman.
and the name of Bharatiya Janata Party and the name of Bharatiya Janata Party
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Adhyaksha in this letter which he wrote
Nirmala
to Ajit
Sitharaman.
Pawar? Why didn't
Now you hear the
Nikhil
BJP
Nitin
response.
Gadkari,
We'll
why
keep
Yes,
it
I'm
moving.
hearing you. Let me also hear the mania.
We have 15 minutes on this debate. I have promised to let our
Yeah,
panelists
let
go
me
after
also
15
hear
minutes.
the mania because,
Yeah, go ahead, Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number one.
yeah,
Question number one. You heard her counter charge to you, didn't you?
every one issue. Yeah. I don't think it's a counter charge. She wanted to raise, I mean, first of all, this entire press conference was centered around this point that चार काम हम उनके करते हैं, चार काम हम वो हमारे लिए करते हैं. ये this is her own fantastic statement on which the whole story was woven. The facts have been laid before you. The leadership of the party has come and answered the two main points on which Ms. Damania has been raising questions. Now, if after all
where
this
was
too,
Mr. Gadkari
we are
when I made a
discussing
straight
it,
allegation?
we can discuss it. No, Ms. Damania, I would want you to. Ms. Damania, I can understand your enthusiasm, particularly after a press conference which has been hyped for at least now 3 alternative postponed dates. So you will have to now defend yourself in wanting to say whatever you said has substance. I'm sure you will. But now that you've said it all, it's our turn also to give it as a reply. So you should have the patience to hear me, ma'am, please. So when the leadership leadership of the party has come out and very clearly point, am I being interrupted because I shouldn't be heard? Please. Point by point response has been given by the leadership, and also the facts and the papers have all been distributed to the media. She herself has put in a lot of research, and this is what has come out. So, if there are issues which Maharashtra government will have to go into in looking for policy and other things, it's a different issue.
How
but
can you pass
really
it on to
can't
the
say
Maharashtra government?
You have not
You see,
raised
this is a very
issue
convenient thing,
because-
isn't it, Ms. Sitharaman?
No.
You're passing it on
I'm
to the
sorry.
Maharashtra
If
government.
you
Let
got
me
the
give you a
impression that
reason
we
why.
passed it on, that's also wrong. No. I'm sorry. Don't catch me for one sentence which you're not even placing in context and asking me. Let
Should
me
I place
answer
it
you.
in context?
We have very clearly explained that belonging to Vidarbha and also being an MLC from that area, Shri Nitin Gadkari has been repeatedly for a very long number of years asking questions and also making sure he represented to the special powers of Maharashtra governor and had a special session of Maharashtra Assembly convened on irrigation requirements of Vidarbha area.
Nirmala
So you
Sitharaman,
can't
the
just
farmer-
charge that he has not done anything
No,
on
Nirmala
irrigation.
Sitharaman, one minute,
He
one
has done a lot of
minute.
things.
My question is to Majid
Yes.
Memon. Let's get all parties in. 1 second. My question to Majid Memon is this. Mr. Memon, you look at the bigger question which is being raised by India against corruption. It is of collusion. Does it not appear strange to you, extremely strange to you, Mr. Memon, that your party's senior leader Ajit Pawar should
Well,
clear the file in 4 days for Mr. Gadkari?
now, Arnab, first of all, I just wanted to make clear now this young enthusiastic member of IAC is being seen on your channel with a cap. In fact, the only difference is that she was without this cap when we participated in the debates on this channel and other channels in the last whole month before Ajit Dada resigned. She was making the same grievance on that day also, that I met Gadkari ji. Gadkari ji told me, don't press this matter because my interests are involved, etc. She was shouting at the top of her voice even then. And I must appreciate the spirit with which she is working. But she is too novice. She probably needs a proper guidance. And the spirit with which she is struggling, and probably she is having good intentions at heart. But unfortunately, she is mixed up with the people who are politicians in the making, and I am afraid she would be lost in the wilderness. So my advice to her as my younger sister would be that keep distance from those who want to become
Now let's
politicians
come
of
to the
tomorrow.
question. Let's come to the
Your
question.
field is different.
Now take my
Number two,
question.
what you have been saying, when she made this allegation, and last month we discussed this very issue of irrigation scam, we made it very clear that as far as NCP is concerned, a man who was not just in charge of irrigation ministry but was also a deputy chief minister, voluntarily on his own, taking up moral responsibility, agreed to step down with a statement made in all entire national press that, well, I am stepping down to enable an unbiased and fair inquiry into the facts which are required to be marshalled properly, and thereafter the legal consequences may ensue. Now this man has set an example today. Which BJP minister would
No,
choose
my
this?
question
Number
is-
one, Sitaraman would answer also that. Number two,
No.
thereafter the chief of NCP made a public statement immediately. Look here, our DCM has resigned, and I am inviting and requesting the chief minister to come out with a white paper at the earliest, very promptly. Don't delay this, because it's a very burning
Sir, you're not
issue.
answering
We are
my
all
basic question, Mr.
We
Memon.
are anxious to know what
Mr.
the
Memon, I
impact
want to
is.
ask, repeat
Can
my
I-
question.
Whether that truth
No,
is
I
involved
want to
with
repeat
Gadkari
my
or
question.
not is a matter which
Sir,
will come out.
sir, may I?
But
May
then
I?
I must only tell Arnav one thing, one more minute.
May I, please?
One more minute. I'll only say this, that please tell these Mr. Bhushan and likes that there is a system in place. You can't be investigators, you can't be whistleblowers, you can't be prosecutors, you can't be judges. You see, you have to only place facts before the
I
authorities
put a
concerned.
simple
Go to the
question.
court. Have faith
I
in
put
our
a
Please
question
tell me
tonight.
what to
and
do.
then you will get justice.
Hello?
You can't just hang
Yes,
somebody
Anjali.
or condemn somebody the way you are doing it
Okay,
today.
okay,
As
now
I
you've
said
got-
earlier today, today's
Now you-
conference
now I have a-
also,
I have-
Khoda pahar nikla chuha.
No, no,
Nothing.
one sec.
You are,
See,
you are
very
saying same
respect-
thing against
very
Gadkari, what you were
respectfully,
saying a
I
month
would
before.
want to say-
Against BJP, there is lot
Correct,
material
now
of
let me-
corruption in Gujarat.
One
Why
second,
don't
one
you
second.
speak about
Majid
that?
Memon.
Why don't you expose
Majid
that?
Memon.
If Mr. Kejriwal,
Mr. Memon.
Mr. Bhushan are anxious
Mr.
to
Memon,
ensure
exposes
that
are
corruption
not
is
the
eliminated from India
press
as a whole,
conferences.
then go to Gujarat and see what Narendra
Press
Modi has done.
conferences are not anyone's sole preserve. India Against Corruption has every right to have a press conference. I tonight would like to put just one
Absolutely.
question to all the three representatives of the political parties.
Absolutely, Arnav, and I would like to object to the patronizing tone that Mr. Majid Memon has used towards Anjali Damania. It's rather revolting for such patronizing tone to be used. She has full right to decide which way she wants to go, what she wants to say, whether she wants to be with Arvind Kejriwal or not. But the big question that all political parties really need to look at, Arnav, at this stage is, I mean, today IAC points a finger at Gadkari, so the BJP is bristling. Yesterday
Exactly.
it was Vadra, so the Congress was bristling. I mean, propriety. Both
Exactly.
BJP and Congress need to answer one question. Businessmen turned politicians turned party presidents, do they claim really they're working for farmers? Let them convince people. And for Manish Tiwari, my question is, I mean, let the Congress party not talk about propriety and conflict of interest, because in your government, we've seen Vijay Mallya being on the consultative committee of civil aviation. Now, what can be bigger?
No, my
conflict of
question,
interest?
my
We've
question
seen
to my
telecom
question to
minister
Manish Tiwari
Dayamiti
is this.
Maran, and he has
My question to,
companies
I have a
working in the
question
same
for Manish
area as
Tiwari and
telecom.
Nirmala
Aircel
Sitharaman.
Maxis deal didn't just happen
Good
just
point.
like that. So, I mean, let politicians
Here's
stop
the
pointing
question.
the fingers at each other and teach the world what propriety
Yeah, well, here's the
is,
question.
and point fingers between themselves. Both parties really need to answer this question, because people are really watching them very closely on what's the difference between the Congress and the BJP.
No, here's a question. Here's a question. One question. I would like to ask Manish,
Arnav, before
Nirmala
you ask the
Sitharaman and
question,
Majid
can I
Memon
just
one
give one
question. Here my
comment on
question.
Navika's
Here my question.
observation?
Here my question. Let's go to the moot point. The core issue.
Yes.
The core issue is this, that when you acquire land, and if you acquire land which is in excess of the actual requirements, tell me, Mr. Memon, Mr. Manish Tiwari or Nirmala Sitharaman, is it not true that the excess land, you already raised your hand then Nirmala, so I'll come to you, is it not true that the excess land should be returned to the farmers or leased out to the farmers for farming? Is it true or not, Nirmala Sitharaman? Answer that question.
Can I answer that, please?
Yes.
Is it for me?
You raised your hand, the question's for you. You take the question. Should that land have been returned to farmers or not?
Yes. Here, let us understand. Let us understand that this was not an acquisition. It's just a lease for 11 years. and what he is doing is not, he's built no industry there.
No,
There is
no,
not
no,
even a
no,
brick,
no, 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 no,
other than
Madam,
for-
please stand corrected. Nirmala, madam.
This is not fair.
Let me
No,
come.
please.
Nirmala,
No, this
I
is
am
not
not
fair.
asking about
There is-
Nitin Gadkari. I am
excuse
saying
me.
I am a farmer.
No, excuse me. Let me just finish,
No, one
Arnav.
second,
This is absolutely
Nirmala
unfair. You're not
Sitharaman,
allowing me
according to
to
the laws
talk.
of the land.
You're not allowing me to talk. And there was a press conference on this issue.
Nirmala,
I'm
you're not
the
answering my
representative
question.
of the party here, and you don't even allow me
No,
to
but
answer.
you're not taking my question.
I'm sorry.